Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So, today I'm doing a kitchen clean with me as well as decorating for Halloween. So, keep your eyes peeled next week as I'll have my autumn and Halloween home tour. But in the meantime, I wanted to clean and decorate as I went around the kitchen, starting in the coffee corner using my favourite method, multi-surface spray, just to wipe everything down. I also decided to watch a cheesy Halloween film on Netflix to get me in the mood for decorating. It's called All Hallows Eve, I want to say, which I have seen before, but I just like it on in the background as it's just a nice one to dip in and out of. So once everything was wiped down and clean, it was now onto the fun part of decorating my coffee corner. So this area has changed since last year because we now have our new Nespresso machine that's a little bit larger than the other one. I also took away the copper tea and coffee tins and we replaced them with this acrylic drawer from Muji for all our Nespresso pods, which reminds me I need to order some more because we're running low. So I usually get out all my Halloween stuff and lay it all out just so I can see what I've got and where I think I'd like to place things. This mug actually I got last year. I really like it. It's by Ray Dunn and I got it in HomeSense, but unfortunately this year they don't have any Halloween Ray Dunn stuff, which is a bit disappointing because I know last year they had so much beautiful stuff from Ray Dunn, and I think I mentioned this in my last video that a lot of the autumn stuff, especially in HomeSense, went really quickly this year. So definitely next year I'm gonna have to be even earlier. So I will share with you guys where everything is from next week in my Halloween and autumn home decor tour, as I mentioned before. But in the meantime, I just wanted to share with you this other Ray Dunn piece that I got in the sale last year in HomeSense. It's this gorgeous Happy Halloween plate that fits perfectly on my coffee corner area. Next, I just wanted to clear away of the rest of the decor and change out my oven glove to these beautiful tea towels that I got from HomeSense as well. You guys, HomeSense always do the best stuff. Despite them not having any Ray Dunn stuff this year, they still had so many really nice pieces. But also one of my favorite stores for Halloween stuff that's affordable is Poundland, and I did share with you a recent video of some Halloween decor that I found in different shops. But I noticed in Poundland they had their full range in now, so I just thought I'd share with you a couple of clips that I filmed recently of some things that you may not have seen before. Right, back to cleaning the kitchen, and I just went ahead and cleaned down the hobs splashback and wiped down the trays also. For the splashback, I use my trusty white vinegar, as I do find this really good for greasy areas in the kitchen. Lastly, I wanted to wash and put away the few dishes that we had and wipe down the sink area. I also added a few more Halloween decor pieces to this part of the kitchen as well. And that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this clean and decorate with me for Halloween. Give this video a big thumbs up if you felt motivated to do even just a quick clean and also decorate for Halloween. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will now look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a great start to the weekend, and I will see you then, guys. Take care. Bye.